So open your first image in Photoshop. Select the crop tool and let's crop it to something like this. Now double click in the middle, then Ctrl plus 0 to fit the image to the screen. Now let's zoom in a little bit. Let's select the zoom tool, drag and just zoom in by dragging with the mouse and choose the elliptical marquee tool from here. Just drag a circle somewhere. No need to be perfect at all. Now just go to select and choose transform selection from here. You can now perfectly match the selection. Let's first scale it, then right click and choose warp and zoom in a little bit more. Now you have perfect control with all those points and handles that you can drag perfectly match the magnifier shape. So like this and like this. I think it looks good. So when you're done, click right here. And now just hit Ctrl plus J to copy the selection shape to a new layer. Or you can, let's hit Ctrl plus Z. You can just click here to add a layer mask to the layer. But before clicking it, hold the Alt key. Now click it. And just like this, we have this hole that we can see through. And now let's unhide the other layer. Just drag it from your images folder to Photoshop, select the move tool. Let's adjust its position a little bit and let's drag it in the layers panel below our first layer. And let's scale it a little bit like this. Scale it a little bit more. Let's see what we like more as a composition. Just pick something that you like. So I like a little bit of the lake, a little bit of the mountain, and maybe a larger house like this. Double click to commit the transformation. And I think this looks good and interesting. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to Damien Photoshop channel for more Photoshop tutorials and give a like to this video.